This video is brought to you in association with Funded Today. Funded Today helps you get more pledges for your Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaign with professional video and design. Links are in the video description below. Thank you. Let's get on with the show. Talk Funding Deep Dive. And here we are again with Karim and Gonzag from Glance Glasses. And really just building on the Talk Funding clip, we really just want to look at a little bit more specifics on the lenses and on the frames. So, hello Gonzag. Can we just really look from looking at the Indiegogo page, these sort of specific things regarding the lenses and the frames? Things that I'm really interested in, which came up in the video, was the use of nanotechnology. What is that all about?
I'm going to talk about the lenses, but not only about nanotechnology right now. We made the choice to work with the biggest company in the world producing lenses. It's Essilor. The goal it was to propose like all option and very affordable price. For example, if you go to an optician shop, for example in France, everything is very expensive because most of the time they take a huge margin. And if you want to add option like extra tinning or for example anti-scratch or dust repellent, it costs to you a very expensive price. So for instance, we decide to propose all these features included in our lenses, with all the coating included for the same price, a very affordable price. That's why it was. That's why it's very hard for me. I can. Our lenses like include all the possible technology and on the lenses. Usually, it's like anti-scratch, moisture resistant, anti-fog coating, dust repellent, and also the nanotechnology, meaning that all the coating are like for. I don't know how to explain in English. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, Gonzag, because I've now I understand. It's like whenever I go to the opticians in the UK and Ireland, I go in and it's like buying a car. They're always adding on the different wee features. Whereas with Lance Glasses, everything is combined in the one price. Is that correct?
Yes. Because I think most of the time, optician shop during the past 10 years was selling very expensive the lenses. So the goal for them it was to keep it a bit obscure because the cost to produce lenses is not so expensive. So they wanted to tell you, okay, you don't know what you need, but I will tell you, this is the option is very, very important. It's like a technology, very expensive because in the brain of people, it was like very expensive technology to make lenses because it's medical device. But at some point, we just realized when we start to make the glasses that producing lenses was not so expensive and including all this option was not a big extra cost. So our goal was to make more volume, produced directly from the factory direct to the customer, because usually opticians have a lot of intermediary between the factory and their shop. So we decided to skip all this intermediary and producing more volume. That's why we are online as well. And we are like trying to reach a lot of country. And doing like this, we was able to propose all this usual expensive option for free, for an affordable price. It was like the goal at the beginning, and I think we succeed because now we can propose in our website from $98 glasses plus prescription,
98 euros,
and in Europe or for Europe, and on the crowdfunding, it depends, but around like $100 for frame plus prescription, with all options included. Of course, we are offering extra cost for some big option. For example, if you want extra tinning, something costs more expensive. So of course we need to ask people to make an extra payment for that. But I mean, for like 70% of people in the world, they can get their frame plus subscription to like a simple price, including all the options.
And really to help in that journey of the customer, like actually buying, for example, I have never bought my glasses online. You know, as you highlighted in the main interview, you use the Instagram. You can experiment with the different frames which we're looking at the moment. I think that's remarkable. Just to ask Gonzag, just regarding the lenses, I think that's one thing that I remember whenever I go to shop is the idea of they'll say, oh, it's a very thick lens. how, so you do have to pay for that if you want to make it a thinner lens. Is that correct?
Yeah, you need to pay. It's normal to have an extra cost because it's a technology to reduce the lenses and it's very important to do. But I mean, if you go to a shop, it's going to be very, very expensive. I mean, very expensive for me, it's like 200 euro, 100 euro. For us, starting to $29, you can get the extra tinning. So the goal is to offer all the possibility, but for very affordable price. But people who don't like to buy online, I can understand because me, 5 years ago, I was not able to buy shoes online because I was scared to don't get the good size for my shoes. But more and more people now buy online the first time. And after you just realize that, okay, it's working. My optician told me to don't go online, but most of the time, if you try it, we have like 5% of defective because it's still medical device, so it's very accurate. You need to deliver like very accurate prescription. Wow. But most of the time, it's even 2-3% of person we can have an issue, but we replace because sometimes it's last adjustment. So we can advise them how to adjust the last adjustment to get the perfect vision. But it's very few people. So people just need to try to get used and to be educated by the market, to understand that, okay, maybe glasses online is like to buy a pants or a shoes right now. Because that's why we have like more than 70% on each campaign of our customers coming back to buy new glasses because they just try once and they just realize that it's working very well. And you can get very nice glasses for very good quality and a very affordable price. So they just say, oh, maybe, okay, I didn't know that. And after, because of the COVID as well, there is a new channel. People don't go in the shop anymore, or maybe less. There is also a lot of people that are not in a big country, so they don't have like optician close to their house. So most of the time they don't change their glasses. So, but at some point they just don't. They just decrease their vision because they don't go to the optician or ophthalmologist. So online can help a lot of people as well when you don't live in a big country or during the COVID or this period, or you can just don't go to a shop.
And I think that's really great validation. As you say, you've got thousands really of returning customers who have bought from you online. And can I just ask, you must have really good customer support during the purchase period, but also post-purchase as well. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
The customer services?
Yeah, we wanted to make bigger steps on that because it was our biggest flow on the previous campaign. What we did also on a Kickstarter and in Indiegogo for specific and very specific question, the common fields, Gonzague and I are the one replying to customers. Sometimes they are like, oh, it's somebody else replying, but we attach very big importance to reply to them ourselves because we think that we are the closest people to the product to be able to bring the shortest answer. And I think an answer with the necessary empathy in it, because we understand what the clients are requesting because we designed the product, we developed it, and we know exactly what are the questions for. Gonzague is a specialist of the prescriptions. He has like the knowledge for the lenses, and I'm more for the other technical aspect of the product. And after that, we have more general questions that concern more the way to get the glasses. But for very specific product question, we share the work, both of us.
And then just for the just so we're clear in terms of just finishing off the deep dive, for your customers, so whenever they get it in the post and it arrives, they open it up and they put it on for the first time. If they need adjustment, how do you work with your customer there just to do the adjustment?
We did some videos on our Facebook group. We have a Lens Facebook group to make the do-it-yourself tutorials. For example, it's pretty easy when you have like a frame. Again, in the general conscience, people think a frame is very fragile, but they are done in material that are especially studied for that. For example, the acetate is a very flexible plastic. If you warm it a bit and you need an adjustment behind the ears, you just bend it like that and it's easy. You can easily bend it. For the titanium frame, they say, oh, but it's very flexible, I won't be able to do it. But by exercising a very located effort, you can actually bend it and to make the slight adjustment. So we are explaining people, okay, if you prefer to visit a professional, it's up to you, you can, but sometimes, as just Gonzague said, you might not have access to a close optician next to your place of living. So do-it-yourself is very the future of the online sale, because our product can be handled by people directly. We don't need a professional to do anything. It's
really not something very hard. We also propose to replace in our website, to replace the lenses by yourself. Imagine you want to keep your frame. It's about also to waste always the frames when you don't need it anymore, to put in the trash and to buy another one, like overconsumption of frame. So what we would like to propose in our website is to say, you buy your frame. If you still love your frame, but you have a new prescription, you just order new lenses. And after you are just able to clip and unclip the old one and to clip the new one. Like this, you avoid transport, new frame, waste, and you just consume what you really need. It means prescription. Because if your frame is still okay, why buying a new one? I mean, except if you want to change, of course, but why not?
Wow, that's really good. Go ahead, sorry.
It's just popping like that. So we show people how to do it. Even for the rimless, we will join in the accessory a little screwdriver to unfit your own lenses. And even if you want to buy lenses for another frame, we also sell uncut lenses, actually, because we are like one of the first brands doing it in Europe, actually, proposing pre-cut and uncut lenses, also at the same price, actually, removable intermediary and so on.
Wow, I've just landed on your website, the lanceglasses.com website, and it's fascinating what you're saying. I think that's an amazing message, particularly for where we're going in terms of our civilization, in terms of be able to reuse and instead of throwing away the glasses, I need a new pair of glasses. So it's like, instead of just getting rid of those, you guys are built in, it's not built in obsolescence. Actually, what you guys are saying is the total opposite. You can keep your existing frames. They're high quality, durable frames. And okay, Alan, get these new lenses that we've got. But these new lenses which you have at the moment in the Lancer is you're really emphasizing the blue light, which we talked about in the main interview. We'll send you these new lenses, and you can really pop them in. To pop your old lenses out and pop your new ones in. Is that correct? Yeah.
It's correct. And for the Lens Air collections, you will be able even to change the shape, because as it is rimless, you will have just to remove the little screws that are on it. You can do it by yourself by getting the screwdriver that will be available in the accessory section. You just remove this, and you just have to screw again your new lenses, and it's an operation that you can do it yourself, like in, let's say, 15 minutes top. And if you want like a round shape or a new one, you will be able to change the shape of your lenses.
Wow, and you can purchase those modifications. If you need new lenses, you can come directly onto your onto your website. And again, because of your really, by the sounds of it, really high quality customer service, where a lot of the time it's talking to you guys, you can really steer the customer towards the best solution if they are looking for new lenses. I think that's a really good way just to finish off our deep dive. So thank you again, Karim and Gonzague from Lance Glasses, who are live on Indiegogo with their Lancer, your everyday smart glasses. All the links will be in the video description below. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye.